If you ever wanted a snack that is quick, healthy and actually keeps you full, this is for you. Today I'm showing you how to make the easiest homemade energy bars, no complicated steps, whether you need pre-workout boost, a quick breakfast or something sweet without the guilt. These bars will become your go-to. The best part? You can customize them exactly how you like. Chewy, crunchy, chocolatey or naturally sweet. So if you're tired of buying overpriced snacks and want something fresh and simple and made by you, let's get into it. In a grinder, add walnuts, medjool dates or any other dates. Add oats, add pumpkin seeds. You need to also add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I'm adding pink Himalayan salt, but any other salt is fine. Grind everything until you have a texture where it will just stick together. At this stage you can add also some chocolate, however I don't eat much chocolate so I didn't add. Take a small pan and put parchment paper inside. Pour all the mixture across the tray. Flatten everything across the tray with a spatula. I'm using a glass to press everything firmly, making everything even. You can use another parchment paper under the glass before using it so nothing will stick on the glass. And then we are going to leave it in the fridge for about an hour. You will need to melt some chocolate and add it on top of our granolas. And make sure to even everything gently with a spatula or with a spoon. I'm using here milk chocolate, but for the healthier option you can go with fine dark chocolate. I'm going to add some cranberry on top. You can use raisins, you can use dates again or pumpkin seeds. Take it back to the fridge for another 30 minutes. Take it out from the tray by pulling the parchment paper and open all the sides before cutting. I will be cutting them into 6 pieces. You can cut in whichever amount you want. You can make them also smaller. I hope this video was what you're looking for. These bars are amazing. They are sweet, they are crunchy. They will energize you instantly. And of course you can play around with the ingredients and make it as easy and simple as possible from the ingredients in your kitchen. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe.